Hello, Grade 3. This is Mr. Jeremy here to explain your work for today, which is March 16th, Monday. Remember to please type your work on the slides that have a gold star. What can I learn today? Today, I can answer yes or no questions about many different free time activities. So as mentioned, I will ask you yes or no anytime questions about free time activities. So if you see a green sentence, that means yes. A red sentence is no. The free time activities will be inside this black box. The action, which is what you do, will be underlined. So remember, when we say anytime, we're talking about an action that can happen at different times. This includes actions that happen in the past, now, and possibly in the future. So if I ask, do you look at the board? That is an anytime question. So you could answer yes. Notice in green, yes, I look at the board. Or you could answer no, the red word, no, I do not look at the board. So anytime is different times, not just now. So by different times, anytime could be in the morning, in the afternoon, at night, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, any day of the week, okay, any month, for example, March, any time, for example, 7:45. So that's what we mean by any time. So here's the question in blue. This is the example. Do you walk the dog? The action is walk. Okay, the free time activity is walk the dog. What do we mean by free time activity? So free time activity is anything you do when you have free time, when you are not working. So there are 4 different ways you can answer this question. 4 basic ways. You can say, no, I don't walk the dog. Or you can say, no, I do not walk the dog. So remember, don't. When we put do and not together, we get don't. Okay? Look at the green sentences. If you answer yes, you can say, yes, I do walk the dog. Or, yes, I walk the dog. So your who will always be I. So that's when Mr. Jeremy talks about Mr. Jeremy, I say I. When you talk about yourself, you say I. Okay? Verb, do walk or walk what? The dog. So to challenge yourself, you can include where in your sentence. I would like you to include where. So if you want to make that sentence longer, you could say, I do walk the dog at the park. Or I walk the dog at the park. Both are correct. If you want to make that sentence even longer by including when, which when answers the time, you could say, I walk the dog at the park on Tuesday. Full stop. So, like I said, when you answer these yes or no questions about free time activities, your who will always be I because you're talking about yourself. These are examples of what. Okay, so if you want to include what in your sentence. If you include what, these are different things and animals that would answer the question what. We have where. These are different examples of where you could do something at home, in the park, in the store, at school, at Giga Mall. That answers where. And then finally we have when. These are just 4 examples: in the winter, in the afternoon, at night, at 1 p.m., in the morning. So if you want to include when in your sentence, you can write one of these. So remember, gold star means you type your answer, either no or yes. Here's the first question. Do you play the guitar? So the free time activity is play the guitar. The action is play. Here's the picture showing you what that means. So you will type your answer no or yes. And you can include where and when in your sentence. The second question, yes or no question, is do you play video games? So you will answer yes or no there. The next sentence is do you watch movies? Next we have do you take pictures? Do you bake cookies? Do you draw pictures? Do you read books? Do you go to the park? Do you go shopping? Do you do martial arts? Do you go for a walk? Do you go ice skating? Do you use the internet? Do you meet friends? Do you go to drama club? Do you play chess? Do you paint your nails? Do you visit the library? Do you bake a cake? Do you skateboard? Okay, so skateboard is the action because it's underlined and it's the name of the free time activity. Okay, skateboard is also a thing. It's this blue thing the boy is on. Okay, but in this sentence we're using it as the action, okay, of moving the skateboard. Do you go fishing?